Alright, so there are a lot of words that you need to know in order to talk about networking. So one of the words that you really need to know is called workstations. And workstations are basically personal home computers like the one you see right here. Another couple words that you need to know are clients and hosts. And so clients are any part of the network that receives the data. And then hosts are any part of the network that gives out the data, or it's a place where the client gets the data, or places like news or Facebook and stuff like that. And so now, if you see here, let's say that computer is the client, and this computer is the host. And so the client over here will go over to the host like this in order to receive information. And so the host then recognizes it and then gives the client information back. That is how clients and hosts work. Now, another concept that you really need to know is called servers. And now servers are it offers different users to access the same information. So for example, a website can be an example of something that would be a server. And so if you see here, that is an example of a server. And these are computers that access the same information. Now let's say all these computers want to go to the same website, like Facebook. So this computer right here would access into this one, and then the second computer would also do the same, and same for the third computer as well. So that's how servers work. Now third, there is the NIC card, or the network interface card. And what it does is it's basically connects you to the internet. So that is an example of a NIC card. And there are a few commonly used NIC cards. First of all, there's the Ethernet card, which you see right there. It basically connects you to a cable modem. And then there's the telephone NIC card, which connects you to a telephone line, which you just saw right there. And then lastly, there's the wireless card. It's a special card that you don't need any lines or cables. It directly connects you to the internet. So all these NIC cards that you just saw allow you to connect to a network.